Today we're going to wrap the roof of a Mazda M6. The kit comes with prep spray, which is going to clean the surface, a knife, which could be upgraded to the stainless steel knife, squeegee with felt, and a microfiber towel. You may want to purchase a wrap glove and a heat gun because a blow dryer can often overstretch the vinyl. Step 1, we're going to thoroughly clean the area. We're going to use rubber side of the squeegee to get corners. Wrap your microfiber towel around it. And it's really important to get the corners because if you're going to have failure, this is where it's going to come in. There is absolutely no way you can clean this too much. Going through a car wash, all it does is wash the surface. This is going to be deep down cleaning, just like a dorm room. You're going to have to really get in all the cracks and crevices. Act like you're de-germing it. The next step is how to position the material correctly. Make sure that we have a little bit of overhang. You always need to measure twice and cut once. So before we do any trimming whatsoever, we're going to walk around the car to make sure that we have all the edges covered with enough material left over to tuck under the rubber and round the edges. The kit you receive will have material that's slightly larger than the area. That's to allow for you to hold on to it, stretch it, get it in position correctly, and you will need to trim the final installation. You're going to take your squeegee with the felt. You're going to need to hold your squeegee at about a 45-degree angle. Smooth it, taking the air bubbles from the middle to the outside. Don't work from the outside in. You just trap yourself. But once you've located where the material is going to be placed, we're going to peel back the front edge, and then we're going to slowly roll the backing from the material from front to back. Now you can do this by yourself. It's just a lot easier if you have more hands. You will start with stretching it just like you do putting a sheet on a bed. Grab the corners, pull outward in both directions and back towards you and stabilize that corner. You're then going to work from the center out. Now this is where the wrap glove comes a key factor. With the wrap glove, your hand glides over it to help preventing creases with trapped air underneath. The vinyl that's being used has air passages in the glue to allow for the air to escape. Now you're going to work with the squeegee and apply heat if necessary. While applying the heat, you should feel with the back of your hand, and if it's too hot for the back of your hand, you're getting the vinyl too warm, which will damage and cause stretch marks. If you do have a heat gun with a temperature control, we suggest setting it at 220 degrees. Now once you've got everything laid down in place, check all your edges. Now you're going to trim as necessary. Leave just a little bit of material to tuck under the edges, and now you'll need to apply a final heat. And you're going to heat the whole thing overall. Ideally, you could put the vehicle in the sun for a couple hours. It's nature's heat gun. Now before you can drive the vehicle off, you need proper time to let it cure. Don't drive right away if you can help it. Don't wash the car for 72 hours. That helps the glue adhere. It would be best if you could keep this vehicle at above 65 degrees for 72 hours. The colder it is, the longer it's going to take. Here at Luxe, we try to choose the material that's the best for the do-it-yourself installers, that's easiest to work with and the most forgiving, but has longevity. If you follow these steps on any vehicle, you'll have success.